Hi guys, welcome to week 9 of the ECQ lockdown here in Cebu. In this week's video, I'm going to show you a few things. Firstly, the differences between the ECQ and the GCQ. So hopefully on the 1st of June, Mandaue City and Cebu City will transfer over to a GCQ, which is a general enhanced quarantine, which has still got restrictions, but I'm going to show you in a sec the differences. As I do every week, I'm going to show the stats for the coronavirus here in the Philippines and also worldwide. If you want to check out my other videos, I will put a link at the end of the video so you can have a look at those if you wish. So let's get to the video. So this info is from the government website. I'm just going to point out the most important parts. Have a look at their website shown if you want to look at it in more detail. The ECQ does not allow these people to go out. And if you have to go out, it's only for essential goods and services. So I'll just show quickly the main points of all these restrictions. Again, just check the government's website for more details. The GCQ is a relaxing of some of these restrictions, although it's not that much. There's still quite a number of restrictions in place. Under a GCQ, government offices can reopen and a number of other industries. So this will definitely help some people getting back to work and making money. The malls will reopen with the exception of leisure activities, although they say they're going to have a limit on foot traffic in them. So we'll see how that goes. And basically leisure industries such as tourism will be still closed. And guys, that means bikini bars. No hotels or similar will be allowed to operate. A lot of hotels in Cebu City have already temporarily closed. And in Mandaue, the Bay Hotel near me has been closed since late March. I just think I was really lucky with my hotel, with them having long stay guests, and they've remained open. So for me, under the GCQ, I think things are basically going to be status quo for me, and I'll be stuck in my hotel room for a bit longer. Just to confuse things as well, the government has placed some areas under MECQ, which is a modified enhanced community quarantine. And the simplest way to explain the MECQ is that it's somewhere in between an ECQ and a GCQ. Have a look online if you want more details. Before they extended the ECQ in Cebu City, they were going to go into an MECQ, and that's probably going to happen on the 1st of June anyhow. So let's look at the coronavirus stats for this week. So worldwide, coronavirus cases have increased to over 5.5 million, with nearly 350,000 deaths and nearly 2.4 million recovering. Breaking this down to countries, USA is still way out in the front, leading with 1.7 million cases and a death toll of around 100,000. I'll show the Philippines. It's still at number 43, which is what it was last week. The Department of Health Facebook page was showing, as of the 25th of May, the Philippines with 14,319 cases. The Central Visayas area at 2,019 cases. Breaking that up, Cebu City had 16,012, and where I am, Mandaue City with 111 cases. So my tourist visa expires at the end of this month. Obviously with the government offices closed, they can't get in to extend it, so I'm going to show you what to do. So basically this statement is saying that the government's giving an extra 30 days after the end of the ECQ to extend your tourist visa. So I'm just in the basement of the hotel. This is where the guys are picking up the food for the squatters. And there's another area just behind the hotel here, which I'm going to try and get a lift in just to see how they're going with the distribution of food. This has been extended till the 31st of May because the ECQ in Cebu or Cebu City and Mandaue has been extended till the 31st. of May, so I just wanted to check that the program was being extended as well for feeding the poor around this area. So kudos to the big hotel again. So these guys are just going to be taking this to the CICC, and what was the other place?
Basubas compound.
And that's over there, that's other poor people getting fed. So the food's just coming out here. So they just put in the tricycle and then drive it around to the areas to deliver it to. I'm not going to go in, I just keep my social distancing. But this is where they feed the poor here in this area. So again, for every day you get this. And it helps a lot.
Yes.
So helping every day for these people, like the CICC. So this is, over here was just where the fire was and all the properties were burnt down. So this
as you can see, some of the squatters living in this area. So they really appreciate this food. So obviously you can see the standards are pretty low. River here is pretty polluted and you can actually smell it really stinks. But look, they're helping out these people in these trying times. Social distancing.
Social distancing.
So I'm just quickly coming in. I don't want to stay too long because of social distancing and all that. So the food's all provided here. Suspa. Never really experienced that firsthand. Like, it's pretty emotional actually to see people struggling and they're still getting by. So this is what the program's in, feeding people like this who really need the food. So it's a really good program. And obviously you can see from those images, it's just really poor conditions and very unhygienic. So that river just stunk. Unfortunately, in squatter areas like that, the river, the creek, or the stream, or whatever you want to call it, is just a dumping ground for everything. So sewage or toilet stuff, all rubbish, everything just gets dumped. It's just like the rubbish. Hi guys, I'm down here at Parkmall, and finally I've got some good news for you. There's some new places that are open recently and I just want to show you those. So let's check these out. I'm trying to be careful because I get in trouble with the guard here. He doesn't like filming, or he doesn't like me filming here. So I saw last time around 12:30, he's maybe at lunch. So let's see what I can get through here. Hukad, I hope I pronounced that right. This you can get on Grab. So if you've got an app for Grab takeaway, you can order stuff from here. And I'll just show you the food that they serve here. It's mainly Filipino dishes. So this is the menu here that you can buy here. I just showed here. So you can get frozen stuff as well for takeout. So that's basically heated home and you can eat it. It's like pre-prepared. Come and get some delicious food. So basically it's more Filipino dishes here. Another restaurant that's open in Parkmall last week is Chicka-an. They sell Filipino type food. I had the tuna belly here, which is okay. You can order online through Grab. So this is the dishes here. They're all available. So here you can also get some frozen meals. It's open from 9 AM to 6:30. So for you sweet tooths out there, you're getting spoiled here at Parkmall. Not only do you have the dessert factory, just behind here, just here. Also, Goldilocks is open this week. Yes! So Dessert Factory is open from 10 AM to 6:30. You can get it through Grab. So if you want a bit of a sugar hit, it's a place to go. You may not be able to buy alcohol in Mandaue, but the next best thing for those sweet tooth, cakes, yum. You can also get coffees here, so I'm interested to try out the coffees here because there's no place around here that serves any decent coffee. The Dessert Factory's also got some meals that you can order here as well, or for takeout, so I'll try and show their close-ups. But there's chicken parma, you can get here, chicken parmigiana, which is exciting. I haven't had that for a while. Okay, so I've bought some chicken parmigiana, so I'm taking this back to my hotel room, so hopefully it's going to taste good. I'm looking forward to it so much. I haven't had this for so long. Where's the salad? Where's the chips? Actually, the chicken parma itself wasn't too bad, but it is the first time I've had rice with it. Goldilocks is open as well, so there is hope for us during this crisis. 9 to 5:30 Goldilocks. Are you on Grab here, or is it just pick? We also have Grab here. Grab will come. So you can order this on Grab, so have a check on Grab. And Pizza Hut is open now at Parkmall, which is great. I've just noticed that today that's been open. So another place to eat, craving for pizza. Pizza Hut that's open just today for serving this type of food. You can say hello. Hi. Hello. You can order your pizza on Grab or Panda, or obviously you can come into Parkmall and pick it up. Open from 10 AM until 6 PM. 7 PM. 7 PM, sorry. If you want to look after your pet, this place is open. You can buy some pet food and some other things for your favourite little friends. Open from 9 AM to 5. So everything's normal here to buy whatever. You can buy birds, cats,
yes,
dogs. What dogs do you sell?
Beagle,
Beagle.
Golden Retriever, Husky,
And they're in the store? Yeah.
Yes. We also have grooming.
Grooming is available.
Grooming services, yes.
So grooming is available at the same time? Between 9 and 5?
Yes, sir.
So you can groom your dog still here between 9 and 5. And you can buy, how much do dogs cost? And what does a beagle cost?
20,000.
20,000 for
The
a...
husky and the golden is 25,000.
So can we say that again? So the dogs, how much they cost?
The dogs are, the golden retriever and the husky is 25,000 and the beagle is 20,000.
And how much for a cat?
And cat is not yet for releasing, sir, because it's too kitten. It's too kitten.
Stucky pet?
Kitten. It's very small.
Like a kitten?
Yes.
Okay. But you can buy animals here, you can buy food. Anything for your little furry friends you can purchase here. Thank you, miss.
Thank you.
So the ATM here is still working, and that's been happening throughout this ECQ, which is a good thing if you need money. Thank you so much for watching. Keep safe out there. Look after your friends, look after your family, and I'll catch you next week. Cheers.